Hey y'all. This is Louie. Louie is a blue and gold macaw. He is 17 years old. I've had him since he was 45 days old. He has a crooked beak. He was born with so we have to get it trimmed on a regular basis, and that's what we're here to do. He's going to get his nails trimmed and his wings trimmed so he can't fly off from being outside and stuff, but he's a sweetheart. He always hollers when he comes to the vet. He's not in any pain at all. Yes, I love you too. Say hi. Hi. You say hi, or are you just gonna holler? He does talk when he wants to. He is what we call a diva. He definitely thinks he runs everything. But just wanted to introduce you to him. We're at the vet. Yeah. Y'all have a good day. The beak tree. Not hurting him. He's just loud.
He is very loud.
He's all done. Say hi. See? Now he's quiet. Because he's done. All right. Say bye, Louie. Say everybody have a good day. Peace. Blessings. Love. Hugs.